We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother L2395 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get it taken care of. It's very, very simple. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and lower this front cover. In order to lower this front cover, there's actually a little finger notch on either side of that cover. You're just going to put your fingers in and pull straight down and lower this front cover. So now we're going to need to remove our toner, but in order to remove our toner, the toner is actually installed into our drum, so we're going to have to remove the whole drum unit. And so if you look right inside of here, you're going to see this handle for the drum unit. And you're going to want to just barely kind of lift up and then pull straight out. That's very important that you pull the drum straight out of the printer. If you pull a little bit at an angle, it's going to kind of wedge this inside of there. If that happens, just kind of push it back down until it seats firmly again, and then again try to lift. You just lift it just a little bit and pull straight out. Once you do that, it should remove from the printer quite simply, and you shouldn't have to really force it. Once you have it safely out of the printer, now we need to separate our toner from the drum unit. To do that, right here on the front of the drum, you'll see this little green lever. You're just going to push down on that little green lever, lift, and rotate your toner cartridge out of the drum. So, now that you've successfully removed your toner from the drum, we need to install our new one. So unpack your new toner, make sure there's no packing material still on the toner itself. Once you have it all ready to go, you're going to take it, and we'll turn this to the side so you can see better. You're going to want to go at a little bit of an angle. You're going to set the front of it in first, rotate it down, and click it down into place. So you want to make sure you push down on the back on the handle of it until it clicks all the way down. And it should be a nice even all the way across. If you have one side kind of sticking up, then it didn't seat in the front. So you're going to want to use this green lever, take it back out, and make sure it's seated, and it should be nice and level all the way across. Once you have your toner installed into your drum, anytime you change your drum or your toner, I always recommend using this little sweep at the top of the drum. So it'll clean this little wire up here. So what you'll do is you're just going to grab it and you're going to slide it across the entire length of the drum. Now you want to do this usually 2 or 3 times. And it's very, very important to make sure that you dock this little green sweep all the way back off to the side where it started. You'll know where that's at because there'll be little arrows pointing at each other. If you leave this anywhere else, you're going to end up with a print defect wherever it's left. So it's very, very important to make sure that it goes all the way off to the side and it's out of the way. So now that we have our toner successfully installed into our drum and we've cleaned that wire off, then we're going to go ahead and install it back into the printer. So again, you're going to hold the drum by its handle. You're just going to slide it into the printer, press it firmly until you feel it kind of click down into place. You're going to close that front cover. The printer is going to take a minute or two to initialize and prepare that toner for use. Once your screen comes back to its normal ready state, then you'll be good to go and back up and print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.